Hey guys, in this video we're going to go over how to open account in Fifth Third Bank. Just go to 53.com and then here on the home page click on open an account, and then from here you'll see this section where you're new to Fifth Third. Okay, and you just enter your primary email, your zip code, and if you have an offer code you can put that in as well. That is completely optional. Enter these, click on get started, and then later what they'll do, they'll take you to this verification process. You can be set up in just 5 minutes. Click here on I'm ready. Basically, you'll need your social security number, you'll need your driver's license or state ID, and you'll need a mobile phone with a camera. Okay, click on I'm ready, and then what you do is you enter your mobile number here. They'll send you a text message that has a link, and that link will basically let you use your phone's camera to scan your state issued ID to basically verify yourself. And then you follow the on-screen instructions, you return here, you complete the application process, agree to the terms and proceed. And after you're done applying, they'll give you your user ID and password that you can log in with. Okay, really that easy. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to App Mentor.